You guys probably know that noise by now. It's the bucket truck. The motor for the hydraulics of the bucket just started. We got that running. Part 4, I guess. Right now we're on part 4. Well, hopefully we can finish this off. And I don't think we're gonna get another truss up today. That'll be tomorrow, or then tomorrow. Supposed to be nicer than the day today. Is just, well, we're gonna get a video of it today, and then we're just gonna time lapse it tomorrow. I got the drone over there. It's charged. I just filmed another segment for another video, and the cattle are happy out there eating, and we're hopefully gonna get tin on the shed in the next couple of weeks if it doesn't snow. But we did get a little bit of snow, so it's officially winter. And we got manure to haul. I don't know if I'm gonna do that today or not. He just likes playing with the bucket truck, I know that. Hopefully we can get a couple extra things done today. That bucket truck works so nice. It is just awesome. So I'm gonna put a link in the description to my buddy Eddie's channel. Go check out his channel. He does a couple things, but he told me we got him up to like 100 subs that he would start making videos like me of his farming adventures and stuff. So we're gonna see what we can get done today. I'll put you guys on a time lapse, and I'll take some drone shots of doing this too, just to be nice and show you guys around a little bit. We're gonna try to get some drone shots of putting stuff up. So enjoy your time lapse and drone shots. Okay, I finally got around to doing the voiceover. I had a little bit of spare time right now, so we're gonna do a voiceover on this one. Right now, we're gonna put a bunch of stringers up on the last truss that we had up that day. The next video, I think we get the last truss finally up, but in this one, we get the first piece of tin on. It might not be the best video of getting the tin on, but he's just working with the bucket truck there. And then I'm probably gonna put some drone clips in, or maybe I put them in already, I don't know yet. I'm gonna see how much spare time I have in my hands, but I'll probably put the drone clips at the end, I think. Yeah, that's what I'll do. I'll put the drone clips at the end. So that's what basically happened. So I'm gonna turn on some music for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Remember to leave a like, and well, enjoy the rest of your guys' video.